Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 ways to delete and empty all the content within the recycling bin on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a couple of documents, photos, or whatever you wish to delete. Let's do that now. So let's focus on what we have on the desktop, a photo and the document. Let's now highlight, Command C, Command V to copy and paste. And now we have duplicates on the desktop itself. Let's now delete the duplicates. Highlight 1, highlight 2, right click, move to bin. And the duplicates have now been deleted. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to the bin and the trash itself, empty. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the bin? You can't undo this action. Let's just empty the bin. That's all gone. So that's number one. The second way, let's just copy and paste again. Highlight, Command C, Command V. And now the same thing, highlight 1, 2, right click, move to bin. And now the command to empty the bin is Shift, Command and Delete. Empty the bin, and the contents within the trash can have now been removed from the Mac computer. So that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.